Hi, and welcome everyone to the very first episode of Trade Talk here at CTC FM. So today I am Boboi CTC. I will be your host for our very first episode of Trade Talk, which is specially powered by AMarkets. So the first episode is basically us introducing you guys to our latest trusted, certified partner, our recommended broker, AMarkets. Today we have a couple of handsome gentlemen with us here today in the studio, which will talk and tell you guys, share with you guys what AMarkets have to offer for our local trading community. But before that, of course, we at CTC FM here would like to wish everyone, every Muslims out there celebrating Eid Ramadan, a very, very salam Ramadan for you guys. Have a blessful Ramadan for 1444 Hijrah. So this year, as usual, we also do have provide you guys. We have a lot of content ready for this Ramadan. You guys don't have to worry because usually Ramadan, other places they slow down in terms of their content production, but not here at CTC FM. We have lined up a few of our usual content as usual segment where we have Abah Hafiz will be returning for Evolusi Saham Global, as well as Bicara Technical for our BBMA analysis every week. So you guys don't worry, you guys can stay up at night while watching some of our live segment and do your preparation trading plan of the week. So here today, Trade Talk, we'll be starting the first episode in conjunction as well, coincidentally with the first day of Ramadan as well. So I think this is a good, people say it's a good sign. We are starting this partnership at a very beautiful day. We're very excited to share you guys with one of the broker that the management itself, the people from the broker, they come to meet us, they show what they have, and we at CTC FM are very, very enlightened with what they have to show and to share with the local trading community we have over here. So without further ado, I would like to introduce you guys to these two handsome gentlemen over here. We have Alex on the left as well as Denis on the right. So hi, Alex and Denis.
Hello everyone. Hello Boboi. Thank you very much for this wonderful introduction. Today we are here, me, Alex, and my colleague Denis.
Yeah.
Thanks, Alex. Represent, it's safe to say, one of the best brokerage companies in the world. I'm completely confident on it. And I would like to say thank you very much for inviting us and giving us a chance to tell more about our company. And of course, to congratulate our dear viewers and audience on Ramadan. Our best congratulations and wishes to you in this wonderful moment of our lives.
Yeah, for this holy season, we really suggest peaceful and harmony time with your families and your friends. And we are really excited to be a guest today here. Boboi, thank you so much once again. It's not my first meeting with you, but I'm really fall in love with your energy and how we are doing. This is really symbolized of what AMarkets is doing, not only in Asia, but mostly in the globally, Alex. Am I right?
Exactly. Yes. You're right.
So yeah, today we will be really glad to say what we offering for the Malaysian market now, what we have done before, and many, many interesting stories, prizes are coming soon.
So before we go more over about the things that, the latest promotion and more about AMarkets, can we first get to know with you guys more about your position, how long have you been in industry, a brief introduction about yourself. Can we start first with Alex?
Yeah, so let's start from me then.
Of course,
I've been working for AMarkets over 12 years and I'm very proud of it. Yes, it was a wonderful journey full of different challenges and achievements.
12 years means that since the establishment of AMarkets, is it?
I joined the company a bit later, but it's safe to say that I actually saw the main occasions in life of our company. I was a witness of them. That's why let's start from the general background of our company to let our audience know more about AMarkets. Actually, we started, business was established in 2007.
2007.
Exactly.
I was actually still in high school.
Exactly. We are still in the market. Sometimes it's even hard to believe what results we achieved. And now we are here in Malaysia and still developing our business, expanding it into new markets. That's why we are here today all together. as you can see, our company is really transparent, clever, and open for conversations. We have nothing to hide. That's why we're here.
Yes.
We are ready to answer openly to all your questions and tell more about our company. So, well, actually, we can speak a lot about our brand, about our company, but we have a limited time. With love, yes, exactly. That's why I want to just highlight a really important moment.
All right. But Alex, your current position in A-Market as?
I'm global head of partnerships.
Global head of partnership. Oh, we are very happy to have you in the studio
it's
here
mutual,
today.
It's mutual. It's a lovely place. Actually, your studio is amazing, and it seems that you did a great job to create it.
Thank you so much.
And moreover, Alex, day by day loves Malaysia more and more. Believe me. I see.
Okay, then let's move on to Denis. Can we have a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Bobo. My name is Denis and I'm head of Asian division of A-Markets,
Okay.
global company. Regardless of my experience, I can say that I also started my career many years ago. It was 2010. It was far away, and it was also the company who was close to the Asian market. That's why I was interested to learn more about the culture, preferences, way of trading, and the people who live far away from the motherland countries. That's why year by year we were learning more and getting more experience with different colleagues in this business. But I was really proud when I get invitation for A-Markets from the team of the leaders. Those who really know how to grow transparent business, those who know how to long fair play story in the financial markets with the solid product respectively. That's why we came here since August. I'm stay here with my family, and we're trying to do step-by-step movement towards the hearts and minds of the traders and partners respectively in Malaysia.
Right. So this is actually not the first time for me to meet Denis.
Yes.
The first time I was actually very impressed by how he talked about his background, which also the reason why we are very confident in this partnership. It seems that to me, A-Market is very, very transparent compared to, I wouldn't say some of the broker that we have currently in Malaysia. So this is one of the reasons why we are very confident to put A-Market listed as one of our recommended broker here at CTC FM. Of course, in order to not betray the trust that was given by our community. So,
thank you.
Yeah, we have a very great gentleman over here, Alex and Denis. So I guess that's a little bit of introduction. Maybe there are people out there who wants to know more about you guys. Then they already have some sort of a view, the kind of person running behind A-Markets. So let's jump into the broker itself. So can you guys tell more about the product and services that you guys are introducing to our local community?
All right, so we can say, and we can be proud, to be honest, that during maybe 3 or 4 months, Alex, here, we completely changed the main points of our core product towards the interest of the Malaysian audience, not only partners, but traders respectively. And here we can say that many traders have different preferences.
Yes.
Some of them, they prefer scalping. Another one love loyalty programs and some kind of support from the broker. Another one love to trade with high leverage and many other preferences. You know, of course, we consider the culture.
Yes.
It's Asian, Southeast Asian countries. They're really completely different from the European or Middle East or CIS or Latin American traders. That's why we found the key points with the deep understanding of the interest of what our partners say to us. This is what A-Markets philosophy. We always listen to our partners. We are transparent. That's why we invited them to our, let's say, family. We invited them to our product brainstorming and try to imagine within 4 months only, we changed leverage, minimal deposit, we reduced withdrawal for the commission for withdrawal.
With the inputs from this partner.
I personally found several connections in the industry who help us to integrate payment solution. That's why we are really happy to say that we can offer touch and go, very popular in Malaysia. All Malaysian banks respectively are available through the different online banking system that we given, and with the lucrative currency rate and with the easy funnel, our traders can use it every day and with the maximum convenient point. And it's not only about, of course, payment system or trading conditions. We made many changes in the engine, in the type of our let's say, cabinet in the type of our execution speed. That's why it's how company invests more funds to the technology, not only software or product line or marketing, but for the hardware as well. That's why day by day we improving ourselves. We really know that we have many colleagues in the business here who are also trying to work with this industry, and we are really happy to see this. We're really happy to know that we are coming to the one line of the leaders, and the feedback that we are getting day by day, it's the really good improvement for this point.
Okay. From what Denis have told us, that it is important in order to cater towards the traders in Malaysia, the local traders. Of course, we are very happy to hear that you guys are actually come here with the idea of catering to what the traders here actually wants, because of course we wouldn't want something that don't usually become the norms of the trader in Malaysia. So I gotta ask, what is your most popular instrument, the kind of the type of instrument that you guys are pushing?
It's
Mostly
kind of a
for
question,
Malaysia.
and I will be really honest, it's not news. Of course, XAU USD, the gold.
Yeah.
Everybody love to trade gold.
Yes.
And by the way, Bobo, thank you for this question. You know,
Yes.
because for Malaysian and Asian clients mostly, and because of their feedback, A-Markets has a very big changes in terms of the spread. You know, we decreased our spread for the 30% on the XAU USD on the standard account. That's why it becomes very lucrative and high competitive in the eyes of our trader. And it took us only maybe 1 month or 2 months. Unfortunately, not remember, but we get a very big amount of positive feedback from the partners who can say, yeah, guys, it's really interesting for our audience. Now we know how to promote you because you have trust, you have personal presence, but let's make changes to the client's preferences.
Yes.
And here we go. That's how we did. Now it's done already. It's in our product line, and we are really proud to offer it for our clients. And it's really interesting for the partners and for clients respectively. But the main value, of course, it's a level of trust, because you know how many cases, unfortunately, our industry have seen before with different companies who were not meet with the expectations of the long distance traders and partners respectively, because the partner, this is the person who protect the reputation of company in the eyes of the traders. That's why if in case something happen, client go to the partner. And that's why we are really proud that our affiliate program, our partnership conditions are very clear, they are transparent, they're very flexible, and the strongest partners give many awards, give many support in this case. And I think maybe Alex will tell about it later in details.
We will talk about more
segment.
about the
Sure,
affiliate
of
and
course.
partner program that A-Markets actually offer. But here we are, guys, to all of our viewers. You guys just listen what Denis just told. Here is a platform for you guys to try to trade gold, XAU USD, one of the most popular instruments that Malaysian usually trade. I think everywhere we look at the community that we have in Facebook, other than CTC FM as well, people, Malaysian likes to trade gold, because we call that there's a certain sentiment in regards to our culture as well, about how gold is being viewed as something that very related to our belief. So I was also told that there's also an ongoing promotion where you can win physical gold. Is it?
Yeah, true. Yeah,
Do you want to talk more about it?
At the beginning of the March,
Okay.
and this promotion is still ongoing. And the main prize, this is a real
Physical gold.
bars of the
Gold
yeah,
bar, okay.
yeah. So feel free to visit our website or learn more information by finding us. We are absolutely transparent, so we can give more details about this promotion. And of course, our Malaysian division, our support guys, support managers also at your services every time. Feel free to check them, and they will give maximum details about condition, about winners, and all prize fund.
Yes.
And also, I would like to add that
Alex?
recently we launched a new promotion, especially for Malay clients. Thank you very much, by the way, for announcing it on your website. We saw already.
Okay.
Really appreciate it. And the point is that everyone can enter the contest, even with a small amount of money, test its lucks, test its skills as a trader, and get real prizes, real money from A-Markets company. Moreover, our leading traders will receive certificates from us, which will prove their professionalism and skills in trading. That's why welcome everyone who wants to not only test our excellent trading conditions, but also to get some prizes from us.
Yes, actually, it's a very interesting competition in my eyes, because we have an idea once upon a time to make some kind of specific competition that will be related to the local culture, to the local treasure points in their mind, let's say. That's why we, with our division in Asia, made an idea to prepare a Ramadan competition and earn money for the Raya celebration, to earn more, to spend more for your families, for your relatives after Ramadan ends. That's why this is not only competition for the money and prizes. This is about philosophy of Malaysian culture with the connection of markets philosophy. And I do believe that local community will love it, because once we will announce the winner, it will be absolutely real winners with the real rating. It will be transparent. Also 1 point for our philosophy. So I have an idea to unite all the winners in one place. We will call it a Market's house. It will be like a secret at the moment. Let's keep it for the
Let's keep it secret for a while.
Correct. Don't disclose this information. Who's watching us.
It's like an insight for you.
If you want to know, you got to win the contest.
Need to win, and we will surprise our community, those who will deserve the prizes. We will unite together, talk about trends, about feedback and reporting from our side, because anytime we are transparent for our audience. It's not about make a marketing presentation, it's about listening in. It's about maybe make some micro brainstorming with them right on the event. Because trader or partner, they are more professional sometimes than we are. They know more about local market, they know about preferences, they know about challenges, and they can teach us sometimes day by day. That's why I'm really happy to stay here and be closer to our audience. That's why we open office here. We increase our presence and engagement and brand awareness, and of course trading volume. That's why it seems that we are on the right way, I think.
It's very good to hear that. It's not just a contest, because I think in Malaysia itself, the community, the industry in Malaysia, we have a lot of contests already. I think since 3 to 4 years, a lot of brokers, a lot of community, they introduce contests in order to encourage deposit, in order to encourage more clients to register. But listening to your vision behind the contest, which is actually to gather the right people, the winner itself, to listen to their feedback, is very amazing.
Absolutely.
I'm actually very amazed by the idea that you guys are presenting behind this contest. So other than that, amazing contest, amazing idea. Of course, Malaysians like to earn what we call as duit raya. Duit raya. So it's gonna be a very blissful raya if they win. They can use that duit or to give it to their children, or just in order to increase the celebration, to have a very good celebration this year. So that's a contest. You can our viewers can look up the details of the contest in AMarkets website, which I already put in the description. So you guys do check in the description below. We have all the links provided to how you can register, as well as how other information about ongoing promotion and all the other things that you need to know more about AMarkets. So if you guys do have any questions that you want to ask to our two gentlemen here, do leave your comment. I will read it out and we can have them answer right away. Okay. We have one comment from Bazli Hijan. He said that AMarkets the best. Thank you.
I don't know who you are, but thank you.
Thank you, Bazli. You're the best. All right. So moving on. Other than we're talking about the instruments, which is of course popular in Malaysia, which is XAU, I have to touch this topic because I think in the past 1 to 2 years, myself in the community, we are very excited to see the rise of another type of instrument that is widely being traded in Malaysia, which is index, global stock index. So of course there are a lot of people, especially new traders, they are being exposed first about index instead of currency and metal, basically. So can you guys tell what is special about trading index at AMarket?
Alex, maybe you can talk about this?
Yeah, actually today we offer our clients over 500 trading different assets. It allows them to create diversified trading portfolios, investment portfolios, and feel themselves more comfortable. Actually, the idea was to give clients everything they need in one place. So just welcome to your markets, and you will see with your own eyes excellent trading conditions. Actually, I wanted to start from the point of you see that the orange is the key element of our branding.
Yes.
It was chosen not just for the case, not accidentally, because orange color is very bright, very attractive, like our excellent trading conditions and lucrative offers for partners. And at the same time, it symbolizes adrenaline somehow. And you know that people come to financial markets not only for making money, some of them come just to get a dose of adrenaline.
Yes.
And we are ready to please interests of and expectations of both categories of traders. And actually, that's why we want to follow the trend. And some time ago, we also added cryptocurrencies in our pool of assets. Exactly, we have cryptocurrencies. And as Denis said, we do prefer to listen to voice of our clients and partners, and we increase leverage on cryptocurrencies also. Right. And it's all about adrenaline, because, you know, even sometimes people are coming to us and asking about opportunities to start trading without having enough money. And even with a small amount of money, they can test us right now. And you know how it works. In the trend market, even if you have a small deposit, but with high leverage, you can double, triple your capital, your initial capital. And if we are talking about indexes also, we see how people they're starting using them because it means that it's interesting for them. It's something new. And it's good. It's good. We see how turnover grows up consistently every day and attracting more and more people.
And we know about the local preferences, about indexes, about lot size of the contract, and many things. And believe me, improvement of the conditions for the indexes are already now a milestone of our product line. So I hope in the next quarter, maybe, we will announce some good improvements in terms of special assets that's related to the indexes. However, also some words about crypto trading. You know, many people from the new age, they love more to trade with the crypto, like in US, it's like a new financial market. And being closer to their interests, markets provide 24 hours liquidity, try to imagine. So like a Binance, for example, you can trade even on the weekends, on the days off when your main exchanges are not working. Here we give liquidity and people can use it even when the other assets are not available. However, it goes on the classical MT4 and MT5, like they know.
Exactly, and as a combination of different factors, it's safe to say that we have everything our clients need to become successful and feel themselves convenient trading with the markets.
Okay, all right. It's very convincing to hear. I guess this is one of the things that we can push, especially towards our community. And the other segment that we have a market sponsor, which is Evolusi Saham Global with Abah Alfisal, the instructor that we prepared for a markets later tonight at 10 p.m. at 9:30 p.m. He's actually well known for trading indexes and global stocks. So I guess if you guys wanna watch how Abah gonna do entries as well as making full use of the platform of A Markets, make sure to tune in tonight at 9:30 p.m. And if you guys want to join in, do make sure register firsthand your account with A Markets first, and you can join in together with Abah tonight at 9:30 p.m. Okay, make sure to tune in. All right. So other than that, do you guys have anything else to add on in terms of instrument and product lines that A Market offer?
Well, actually, I can tell that, again, based on the local preferences, we completely changed many essential points like leverage minimal deposit. We improved our KYC model. Now it's very easy to pass verification only with one document, try to imagine, and the mobile application and desktop version are very easy to do in this. Also, we are working on the changes of our cabinet. It will be completely innovative story very soon, and maybe this year we already announced these high updates. What concerns classical trading, we are proud of our simple condition, but it's very vital because spread, execution, and withdrawal. This is what makes sense from my point of view.
Yes.
Like in metallica, nothing else matters in other cases, but at this point are really vital. You know? That's why we can say that local community and partners and clients, they are really satisfied with this condition. We have positive feedback day by day by getting this. So it's kind of good.
Alex, do you have anything
Exactly.
else?
Yeah, I just want to say that it doesn't matter how many trading cassettes you provide clients with, and how many promotions and so on. If you don't withdraw their money, yes, that's fine. Just as Denis said, really, our reputation and withdrawal option is really important. And soon we are going to announce the additional local payment system. Also, I'm sure that it will simplify the life of our traders, and they will be more glad to start working with us. It will be much easier. As Denis says, the process of verification is fully automated, and the range of payment system is also quite big. I decided that it's important to say about it, because we're talking about trading conditions, we're talking about promotions and so on. But in my opinion, the most important part of each brokerage business is deposits and withdrawals.
Absolutely agree with Alex. Yeah. Why they came to the market?
Yes.
Just to get their profit, and here is the markets.
At this point, I'm pretty sure, listening to both of you, at this point, I'm pretty sure A-markets actually have everything that any trader would need right now.
You know why, Bobo? Yeah, sorry. But, because of the company story, that company has been driven by the industry leaders, traders, people who know about market, those who are really trade by themselves, who got their personal challenges. And within all these years, company collect the people who have the same DNA, energy. That's why people sharing their experience with each other. They're trying to support each other. That's why company grow year by year, because many people from different niche, different maybe background before, however it was closer to the fintech, they know how to prepare the product from the different parameters, how to be very flexible, and how to be solid in their line, let's say. Because if in case you will do many different things for different countries, it will be not like a broker, it will be like a children garden. Everybody will scream, it will be hot, so nothing strictly line process will be there. However, here we trying to be closer to mentality of the issues. That's why markets operates globally, most all of the countries where it's available to work. So we're doing this and deliver our excellent services.
Moreover, we have a diversified business and strong business in different regions, in Africa, in LATAM, in the Middle East, and it helped us a lot to improve our business and add more trading tools. As Denis says, we already started adopting our business to the local demands and expectations of our clients. So it's some kind of DNA, as Denis said, because we're collecting information from clients from different regions and implementing them here in one company. That's why we are ready to please a very wide category of clients.
I can see that.
It's very important to understand that we are not just a local company or the company who are just starting this business here. Company with the background of 15 years, you should understand that. Before that, we made business somewhere else. And it is really a serious background for our company, and we are proud of it. That we have a chance to work with companies from different cultures, religions, mentalities, and so on. Of course, and Malaysia, of course, I'm sure it will make us even stronger than before.
All right.
And I want to thank our clients and partners who are helping us now to become even better, with their recommendations, advices, useful tips, and their expectations.
We always on the one line with them. It's one community. There is no any broker or client, chat support, or some hierarchy. We are one together.
It's the best form of cooperation, that you are on the same page with your clients and partners.
Yes. Of course, that will help cement A-market more and more in Malaysian trader. Like I said earlier, from everything that you told me today, both of you told me today, and from our conversation the other day, I cannot see anything that is lacking in what our local trader would need. You guys have everything that is needed for our Malaysian trader to actually start with A-market. You guys have a collections of instrument that is cater to every type of traders, cryptocurrency, currency, metal, indexes, and you guys have your own headquarters in Malaysia, although the location is not yet disclosed, but you guys have location and team in Malaysia, which is a lot of other brokers don't actually have. They usually outsource it to other countries, which causes a lot of problem when it comes in the future. So you guys have headquarters in Malaysia, so there's no reason not to trust and to start trading with A-markets. I would say that if any viewers actually can come up with any reason for any lacking point that you can see from all the things that both of these gentlemen told us today, you guys do comment. What else do you need from a broker to start trading with them, to actually start trust markets?
Please share the comments. We will be ready to discuss.
Yes,
Today.
Right
It's
today,
not joke,
on spot, no joke. Okay, so viewers, you guys have anything you guys want to ask or anything to add on in A-Market current programs, might as well put it now on comments and we can discuss it together. All right, so I would like to also read some of the comments that we have today from Angah. He said, nice program and planning A-Market. And then Ahmad Edgar says, never seen a broker full of good-looking gentlemen.
Thanks a lot for your comments.
Great projection A-Market. Yes.
We also have ladies in our team.
Good to hear that. All right. So continuing from there, I think it's we are very clear about the services and product that is provided, offered by A-Markets, and as well as the current promotion. Do you guys have anything else to add on in regards to the promotion other than your Ramadan trading contest and physical gold?
Actually, it's a good question, Boboi, because permanently we of course offer some loyalty program, and they are quite unique because many companies offer in some kind of high leveraged bonuses, or they provide some story that are not transparent in terms, in the eyes of the terms. In the markets we have very interesting and loyal story. We call it tradable bonuses and loyalty cashback bonuses.
Okay.
It means that more lot you trade, more tradable bonuses and cashback you will get on your trading account. So it's like a pure loyalty program that, for example, available in the banking story, in the banking segment. So it's also about our conception and philosophy to be transparent and fair and collecting the same funds of the broker around us, because more trader trades, more lot he rises, more company gets in the commission. It's a pure model. In our case, we work like an STP company. That's why we are really proud to support clients who provide good lot volume with the profitable deals. We will congratulate him. It's true. We will call him and say that he is a successful trader, and we will maybe get some feedback from him as well, or share it to other clients how he was successful. What is the strategy? What is the secret? It's also true.
Yes.
You can see it in the comments. That's why reputation makes sense in this case, because it's built by the community, not by the fake marketing quotes or something like this. And if in case we are talking about some kind of other promotion, I think Ramadan contest, the most interesting right now. It's most actual and it's most closer to the Malaysian clients and partners.
It's starting today or in the future?
Registration has been opened already. Yeah, officially we started today. So welcome to this competition.
All the way throughout Ramadan.
Yeah, it will last within 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah, and then we will analyze the details, data, and we will announce the winner. But anyway, anybody can see the results in the official public rating.
Oh, leaderboard.
It's also really important because many companies, they hidden the rules and you don't see who is the real winner. Here it will be absolutely transparent.
Important moment because real time you can see the progress in your position in this leaderboard.
So you can plan and strategize your trading plan as well.
And one more important thing is that after this event, then the event is finished, we will have a ceremony and people will be able to meet with us, ask questions directly, have a place meeting. In my opinion, this is the most important part of this contest. Because you can be closer to get their trust and actually listen to them, the expectation, and it's amazing experience for both sides, for clients and for us also. So we want to get closer to our clients and to our partners.
Okay.
And it's not all we would like to say. Also, we have some exclusive gifts, about this. And Boboi, you are the one who got this premium gift today.
That's true, you come.
Yeah, it's a limited version of the caps and special polos for the most active traders in the markets. We have some loyalty program.
And somehow complying with the color of your logo also.
What I was about to tell as well.
One way to go.
A-Market actually uses the same color, so with our logo CTC FM over
it's a good sign, guys.
It's a good sign. It's a very good sign. So
welcome to our orange community of traders and partners.
It's very exclusive cap we have over here. Also, we have another exclusive merchandise, which is a polo t-shirt.
It's a handmade logo made with
over here we have the A-Markets logo over here. So if clients out there, like any trader out there who are interested in getting this merchandise how can they actually have
Sure.
access to it?
It's a promotion we give for our active clients. If in case they make a deposit from $300
Okay.
and make some lot volume, they can contact us and we will give this. It's not like a big promotion because we are trying to be far from this. It's just for those who really close to our community. It's face-to-face meeting. Sometimes we can give it, or if in case client come to our chat or he was bring by partner. But the main focus I would like to mention, this is the limited version of the gift card, Bobo, that we give for you today. It's increased twice capital because recently we gave for $50. Right now, during Ramadan, only for the Malaysian clients, we give 100 gift cards with the real equity capital that can be traded on the markets, and the profitability is yours if in case you follow with the rules of this competition. It's also available on our website and condition on the landing page. Feel free to ask our team support and we will...
and dear viewers, it's your chance to start trading in the real market with real funds provided by the company. Show your performance and withdraw the profit you will receive. So welcome to test us, please.
Dear CTC followers, if in case you would like to get gift cards, please contact Boboi.
Yes, we will be giving
He's
away.
the trusted ambassador. We can give him.
Yes, we will be
our card skipper.
that's a good position to have, a card keeper. We actually will be going to giving away all this card to our viewers, which will be I think we will think of a way to give it more efficiently. But previously during our meeting before this, Dennis already given us a $50 gift card. This one is different, and I actually have some of my team tested it. The gift card, it's very easy to redeem, to trade. Everything is
it's also our unique technology.
Yes, there's nothing to hide about it. Everything is very clear and transparent.
You
can redeem, you can trade. If you have profit, then you can withdraw according to the terms and conditions. There's no such thing as hidden terms that nothing to hide about.
You know, Bob, because this card has specific conception. It was also done with the idea, not just to make aggressive marketing. Of course, no, because you can say so-called no deposit bonus. No, it's completely another product because in this case, client can touch the brand.
Yes.
He can feel the power of the adrenaline. He can use the card like a debit card in the banking and get some kind of facility from this.
Yes.
And of course, the main value is money. He can withdraw profit, and if in case he's satisfied with our condition, and no doubts he will, we will be thankful that he will keep trading with us with real capital, with real funds, and real bigger potential to withdraw more funds, more profitable positions from the results of his trade with the markets.
Yes.
This is the conception of gift cards.
And we will be happy to see people who make profit during this Ramadan period of time, spend it on their families, and maybe get closer to their dreams with help of a market.
Yeah,
it's a good
idea. Yeah, it will be.
It's a very good timing as well. So anyway, you guys who are watching right now, if you are interested to actually get one of these, do make sure to stay tuned. Do follow us on all of our social media platforms, Facebook, we have Twitter and Instagram, as well as our Telegram channel, where we will be announcing how to actually get one of these a giveaway. All right, so you guys make sure those who haven't subscribed yet to our channel, do subscribe as well to YouTube channel. We will also be posting the information on our community tab on the channel, so stay tuned because we have 50 card to be given away. Yes,
$5,000 delivered
in total. $5,000 offered by AMarkets for you guys. We have Gang Jawa said, wow, USD 100. Sophia Rich, I want USD 200. It's only 100. You can trade and gain profit from here. Okay, so Sophia. And we also have Kuzairi Abu Bakar, what he said, 100 USD lock. So make sure stay tuned on our social media platform where we'll be giving away all of this. Okay, so if you guys do have any more questions in regards to services and promotion, do type it out on the comment section. Okay, so moving forward as well, I would like to ask Alex about the partner and affiliate programs at AMarkets. What AMarkets offer that is actually different, or you can attract more people to start being affiliated to AMarkets?
I got you. Thank you for your question. At this moment, we have two most popular models of cooperation: revenue share, traditional model, and well known for all traders and partners. When we share profit from turnover with our partners, and this is the more popular, as we can see, among partners from Malaysia. But at the same time, do not forget that when we work with online partners, we do prefer to give them the other model of cooperation, which is called webmaster. Here we pay for verified leads and clients who start working with us. This model, actually, this is CPA, cost per action.
Oh, cost per
So the more qualified leads, the more clients partner will bring us, the more income he will receive. That's why we have the variety of these two models. Feel free to test it to find out which one is more lucrative for you, more interesting, and brings more profit to you as a partner. Also, we have different programs. For example, our agent model of cooperation allows us to give multi-level option.
Okay.
I see that it's also popular here in Malaysia, and people teach other people on how to work with clients, how to educate them. And actually, it's very great because people share information about financial markets and improve their financial literacy. So, in my opinion, it's a very good business. Also, we have loyalty programs for our partners. Loyal partners, efficient partners, they can expect that they will receive additional motivation from us based on the results they show, they demonstrate. And with some partners, we already started implementing these programs. For example, we had workshops with our partners and help them to also to develop their business. So we do prefer to work as one team.
Okay.
So to help each other to develop business, to bring more clients, to educate them, and provide a high quality customer service. This is the main idea.
Okay.
This was honestly saying we don't work with every partner who send us requests.
Okay.
We are carefully filtering them because we need to understand that this person is also trusted and care of his personal reputation.
Yes.
Because reputation, as we said, means a lot for our company. It means a lot for partners, and we already creating community of local partners. It's very cool. Last week I personally met a few partners, and I was really pleasantly surprised how people are intelligent, how they are ambitious and strive to really create a strong and a good business. First of all, they are thinking of their clients, and the first question they ask, what about your reputation, guys?
Yes.
We don't ask about commissions. This is the last maybe question in our negotiation process. And it's very good to know that people here care of clients and their profit, their money. So very respectful from my side.
Also, I can add that using my experience of working with Southeast Asian countries, I can definitely say, I'm sure myself that Malaysian community partners and traders, they are more mature. They more understand the risk management, they understand the potential, they know what is the key question need to ask broker firstly. They asking about bonuses or remuneration in the last point, like Alex said, because they need to understand more what connected with the product line, clear offers, clear calculation, reputation, competitive product. Because if partner comes to you, he's like an ambassador, needs to be ensured that he deliver absolutely best and excellent product to the minds and the eyes of his trader, because trader trust him. He is also like a part of our team. That's why I think not mostly, but in this equal way, we are more partner-oriented company, because we care about their reputation, about their business model. Like Alex said, we had a meeting really before, and we explained partner how maybe to improve his workflow by using some automatic technology that fintech and digital marketing provides right now, to improve his performance in terms of lead generating or lead conversion, many other cases. And Malaysian partner, they really learn about this. They at least understand how to use it in future by listening to you, because other countries sometimes they more greedy, maybe they are more jealous, and that's why they have many problems, unfortunately, because market is very wild. It's story of high liquidity and volatility, That's why, if in case you have a trusted, mature partner with you, believe me, the broker will also be really happy and successful, like he and his audience. It's like a synergy between client, partner, and broker. All are in one boat, let's say.
Exactly. In my opinion, it's the best compromise for people who are looking for the best trading terms for clients and good commissions for themselves.
Yes.
Because usually know how it works. Sometimes I'm surprising to see how big commissions that other companies offer partners. How is it bigger than spread? That's where the first question is. That's why, of course, partners are asking first of all, they are thinking about spread for clients, and then they are asking about commission. In these terms, we are trying to keep the balance between interest of all parties. And it's safe to say that our commissions are quite high. We pay up to 15 USD per lot for agents, for people who work within revenue share model, and up to 500 USD for activated client who works as online partners with us within the CPA model of cooperation. And of course, we are considering different loyalty programs, and we support those partners who really deserve it, who are trying to become better off, who are trying to reinvest money to their business. If they see that, of course, we're interesting to support them.
Okay. I think I'm in general, I'm very happy and excited listening to all this things that you guys are offering, especially in terms of affiliation and partner program that you have at AMarkets. I think the timing couldn't be any better because recently, earlier this year, we have a couple of, you can say, huge broker that's operating in Malaysia. Some are having troubles in terms of withdrawals, as well as their partnering terms are being very vague at the end of their operations, because I think a lot of people can see, because the terms that they are being offering is kind of unhealthy. The amount of the bonus deposit they're actually trying to push in hoping towards people increase their deposit over at the broker. So right now, Malaysians, of course, are very eager to have this kind of broker who are looking towards establishing healthy relationships in terms of the client, partner, and as well as the broker. This is going to ensure a very long-term operation instead of having like a hit and run, one time bang in the box and then leaving it like that.
Right. Yeah, you're absolutely right, because I have seen many stories from Indonesia and Malaysia with my closer friends from the industry who was in the companies, with all respects to all the other brokers. We know all of them because we are one community. But main problem from my point of view, when the international company comes to Southeast Asia, they see how the huge is market, and they're trying to grab it, to take it in terms of high amount of deposits, and they don't care about the
risk management,
reputation. They try to use some kind of hype. They love to give some
to get as much as possible in a short period of time.
They try to get fast ice sketching, but under the line, under the cover of the car, whereas the engine, they don't predict the risks, how the car will drive in future. That's why within 16 years, we know how to protect partners and clients firstly from themselves.
Yes.
Because market is market. Sometimes you use some emotion, sometimes you use some gamble idea. It's also sometimes normally, because otherwise you will be lazy and afraid of everything.
Yes.
So here we try to calibrate the mentality, the strategies. That's why the product is, like Alex said before, is highly calibrated between all the parties. And because of that, somebody is closing and somebody is growing year by year. However, last decades was quite complicated in terms of regulation, in terms of big amount of high-level companies who come to the market. And according to my opinion, the war between of marketing campaigns has been finished. Now it's the challenge between reputation and technology, and how fast you are reacting on the community feedback, because industry is very rapid. Many companies come in year by year.
Yes.
That's why you can calibrate and unite all these values in one company and be patient, be prepared to resist from the challenges, from the macro factors.
Yes.
That's why companies should have enough liquidity in themselves. If in case, for example, if all clients, all regions will withdraw money in the markets, we will be able to execute these orders. It means that we have enough liquidity. We provided the special audit from the Ashton and Young before, as far as I know.
Years ago. You know what? This is the big difference between really a trusted and reputable company like AMarkets and banks, for example. Because this is the nature of banks. If all clients will withdraw money, actually banks, they don't have it.
Do you remember Silicon Valley Bank, by the way?
The recent case,
it's a hot topic. Take a look. The story of the real practice show us how can be ruin the system when anybody is trying to withdraw because of some kind of rumors, because of some kind of negative impacts. It's a macro story. We can tell about it for many hours, believe me. But the main fact, in case you are not capable to execute all the obligation between your client, please think about it in advance. I have seen many stories when the company has been ruined, has been crushed because of the used clients' money, or they don't understand the bonus model, or extremely high bonuses for the partners and giving them, I don't know, cars, villages, many other cases. And we already have the same case in other companies. Of course, with the respects, we will not tell their names, but need to be careful. And need to be careful with whom you work on the distance of the financial.
And this is the main idea that we want to convey to each partner, because even sometimes they're asking some outstanding, condition from us from the beginning. Yes, it's safe that we need to work for them first.
Yes. It's a win-win story.
Yeah.
We not give a golden fish, but we give golden fish in rod.
Yeah.
To find
that's a very good analogy, actually.
Yeah, it's about technology, reputation, support, financial sides, anything. It's what.
And we never promise something that we will never be able to fulfill. That's why this is one of the main approach for our company.
In Malay, we have a saying. We call it bulan dan bintang. It's moon and stars. People usually promise so high, like moon and stars, you can earn like this is the kind of commission that you can earn. So we're trying to avoid that. We're trying to be realistic, managing expectation as well as managing risk at the same time. So I believe all the information that you have in regards to partner and affiliation can all be accessed on the website.
Exactly. Moreover, we have a special partner for portal for partners. They can visit it and find their own information, especially designed and created for our affiliates. There is information about our condition, rules, offers. Also, they can find useful tips on how to scale their business using resources of our company. And also, the important part is that on our affiliate portal, they can find information about successful cases of our partners, other partners who already been working with us for years, real people, not fake stories. And it's really important. It's inspire them, and it shows that you can really create your own affiliate business based on resources of company like AMarkets.
And I really hope very soon the name of some of Malaysian partner will appear in the partner portal as a successful story.
Because did it include all the global partners?
Exactly. That's how our partners also unite with each other. That's why we are very popular participants of the global expo, like IFX or Asian expos or Middle East expos or many others. So this is the way how we show our transparency. And sometimes, we meet our partners to let them share the experience, because different cultures, different mentalities, different strategies, different way of business growth. That's why sometimes they share their experience each other. It really works like a family, like one community, like a base camp. That's why maybe soon we will organize big gala gathering in Malaysia, but it will be.
And feel free, dear audience, to visit our AMarkets global YouTube channel, because there you will see broadcasts like this one with our partners. We have interview with them. They are telling about their stories of success. So we hope that soon we will have some people from the Malaysian community who will also join this trend, and they will be the first ones who will have interviews and broadcast with us on our AMarkets global channel. So to join this trend.
CTC FM will also love to have them featured in our channel as well, showing their capabilities and their achievement as well on our platform. So you guys also, our viewers, make sure to follow all social media platform of AMarkets. You guys have Facebook?
Actually we have, of course, the all social accounts. Right now we use English version, but a few days ago we have released our Malay
version for the social.
It will be full of news, full of analyst materials, full of our promotion, and some kind of my personal speaking, maybe because I like table talk and I like to share some news or some mindsets regarding the trends, regarding the industry, regarding some meeting that we plan to do, because like we said before, we're nothing to hide. We are maximum transparent. That's why we unite the same people around us. Because in the last December, we make a big IB gathering. It was like Golf Banggi Golf Resort community dedicated to AMarkets launching in Indonesia. Just imagine, it was only in December. Since only 3 months, we already have some kind of recognition. We already have first partners. We already guest of the CTC FM. It also makes sense.
Nice start. Very promising.
We're happy to have you gentlemen here.
By the way,
It's
you
just the
mentioned,
beginning, to be honest. And
yeah.
Ramadan competition also already started.
Exactly. And you mentioned our local social media. Of course, one of the first posts that we will make will be dedicated to our live stream.
Exactly. Yeah.
With you.
Our colleagues already preparing something.
Yes, and of course this footage of this live stream, so we're gonna cut it into a few shorter clips and upload it everywhere on our other social media platforms. So, and you guys might actually be listening or viewing this from maybe TikTok as well. We will be having all these clips of all the information that we have today easily accessible, more easily accessible to a lot of people, where we'll be pushing it to the community, to our local community. Okay, all right. So and one of the questions that I would like to ask as well, if there are people out there listening right now interested in having like a face-to-face discussion with you guys, how is it for them to set it up?
Actually, they can follow to our live chat support. I'm open-minded guy and open transparent in communication. Also, they can find me in Facebook, like my name. It's not blocked, not a closed page.
It's not a private page?
Not private, yeah. It's I'm sharing my lifestyle, my family, my meeting with my partners. This event also done before, so people should know with whom they work. It's about level of trust.
Yeah.
Actually, it's easy to find us.
Alex stay here also for several weeks, so I think it will be best choice and time to catch the opportunity to speak together with us, with the two heads of the markets.
Yes, I think it's an opportunity for the people who wants to know more about markets. Maybe they want to know certain details that we don't have the opportunity to talk about.
We are very
right
flexible
now.
in this case. We are staying in KL, in Kuala Lumpur. So, by the way, we will be ready to visit other states of Malaysia if in case the agenda will be really interesting and it will be really promising, of course. It's about time. Traffic jam, you know, guys.
Yes.
Killing some time.
Yes, of course. Okay, that's very clear. I think from our segment today, we covered almost everything that we wanted to introduce. The introduction part of A-Markets into the community that we already built here at CTC FM. Is there anything that you guys think that you want to add something before we moving on towards other point of the discussion today in terms of what A-Market have?
You know, yes, we're talking about our advantages and benefits for clients, and just want to add in the end of this introduction, let's say part of our conversation, that we can give you guarantees not only as personally, as employees of the company, because we have such proofs, such as, for example, from the beginning of establishing of the organization, we are the member of the Financial Commission. It's an independent financial organization which is incorporated in Hong Kong, and it settles disputes between financial market participants, such as clients and brokerage companies. So actually, this is a real guarantee for the clients that all the brokers' obligations will be completely fulfilled. For example, if for some reasons brokers who are the members of this financial organization will be not able to withdraw clients' money, every client can send complaint to this organization and be sure that it will be considered objectively and the resolution will be made in a short period of time and client will receive his compensations. That's how it works. I highly recommend that you will go to learn more about this commission to the official website of the Financial Commission. There you can find real cases of resolutions, disputes of clients and brokerage companies. So, in my opinion, this is the only one mechanism in our industry which really works. I
completely agree with Alex.
Which really works and protect clients' interests.
How many cases we have in the industry when the government regulatory body cannot protect client? And we also know the names, but of course with the respect we don't say about them. For decades, the company cannot close the complaint. However, they were regulated by biggest regulatory authorities. It's true, but Financial Commission just doing their job. They protect clients' funds and make dispute resolution.
I think it's very interesting for me because for as long as I've been participating in this financial industry trading, financial instrument trading industry, I think this is the first broker that actually came forward introducing what you can do when it comes to certain dispute. So I couldn't say more than I'm very amazed and impressed by your transparency that A-Market is actually trying to push into our trading community.
Exactly, and our execution quality has been proven by my verified trade. They also tested our trading conditions and concluded that it complies with the bad execution standards. And everyone, especially with these gift cards which we announced, it can easily test us and see everything with their own eyes, how it works. And it's safe to say that execution speed in our company is one of the highest in our industry.
It's a 0.03 seconds. When you close your eyes, when you like this, it's the same speed. This is the speed of our
If you
execution.
blink in your eyes, yes, you can't even
Exactly.
detect how your trade was processed by a market.
Amazing.
So I decided it's important to add it because sometimes brokers, they are not some, red words, but they can prove it.
Yes.
So all the information you can see on the website and our words, they are proven by really reputable international organizations.
It's good to hear that the people running behind the broker actually knows the thing that they said on their website. Because when we met other broker staff, they actually don't know what is it meant by this commission or all the regulation that they have in their website. So this is very amazing for me, especially for Malaysian traders. This is very new, and
Yes,
I think there's no reason.
When the trust makes sense,
Yes.
we're ready to guarantee it with many direction, with many conception and really proven facts, like we're doing this almost 16 years already.
Okay. It actually has been 1 hour since we started our segment,
already?
It's
but
moving so fast. We really didn't
it's
detect.
actually
just
really
started.
fun. But don't worry, we still have more segment from A-Market as well. Starting next week, this week, next week, and the following week, we will
because
have,
we have more slots.
the same segment every Thursday. So we can talk more about on the next iteration, next episode. But before that, I would also like to ask both Alex and Dennis, what is your hope, and also what is your view on the future of the financial instrument trading industry, especially in Malaysia?
Well, I can say personally that at the moment, Malaysia, in terms of all Southeast Asian countries, are maximum comfortable and not restricted from the eyes of the, let's see, government stories, and restrictions, because community is quite mature, traders are more safety and they're more careful. That's why there is no any negative cases like it was in Indonesia, Vietnam, or Thailand, by the way, because there we have very scary and suffering stories in the industry, and I'm sure you know, guys, and the followers of CTC also knows about it. Here, for the future of Malaysia is very promising. It's a country that speaks English, the country with the great legacy of the Great Britain. The culture is very highly adaptive because there are many confessions here, and due to the different situation, many people are relocating here. That's why I think the portrait of the trader will also be changing year by year. They will be more mature, more professional. That's why when we're talking about the industry trends, we can say that the most trustable and high-tech companies will win here, and they will get this recognition and acknowledgement from the audience. Because according to my experience, I used to be a head of marketing before. I know how you can use aggressive marketing campaign, but one day they will be not effective. They will be useless. That's why you will be forced to go for another region, because your brand is already oversaturated with some kind of case or complaints, because you gave some offers that are not relevant to the real story. But when you clear in terms of your mind, of your mathematics story, of your business, of the risk management, of your reputation, and you just still keep growing this line, I think this is the future of the whole industry. But there are so many competitors, so many wonderful brokers on the market.
Yes.
Of course, we also
We
recognize
do encourage healthy
that's why
competition.
you need to keep yourself in a very high level of energy, discipline, open-minded, be ready to change something, be ready to listen to partners, because firstly, I will say again, they have many information. We can learn more from them. We came to their country, not they come to us. So that's why it's a good synergy. And if in case it will be done, all companies will have success, not only markets. But
Okay, that's amazing, Dennis. Then can I hear as well from Alex? What do you see the future or the vision that you can see for the local traders in Malaysia moving forward?
Actually, I believe that the future is very clever because people here is very intelligent. They are very involved. They are trying to find something new, and we see how many people reacted our news and how many followers actually today are here viewing our interview.
Exactly.
And
The depth of the market is really huge.
yes, in my opinion, Malaysian traders, they have everything they need to become successful here, to develop themselves as a specialist in the financial industry. And look at the center of Cairo. It's amazing. It's really inspiring and impressive sometimes. It's like in New York in
Exactly.
jungles, you know. That's why then I visited Cairo the first time, I was also surprised, and that time I understand that actually it attracts investors, and a lot of capitals are coming to this country
Absolutely
to
right.
create workplaces, to create the infrastructure, and that's why I believe that the best time is yet to come.
The best is yet to come.
Yeah.
So the future of the financial instrument trading here is very bright.
Exactly. And the fact is there are so many brokerage companies are here, and there are so many partners
Yeah.
who are teaching their students on how to become traders. It means that we are at the early beginning, that
Exactly.
people are coming to financial markets, more and more people. And of course, it's increasing our community of traders, investors, and also partners.
Just to find the keys for their preferences. That's why, younger, they prefer TikTok, and we see it's really
Yeah.
booming. How many audience are there? What is so big engagement there? Most professional traders, fund managers or big IBs, they're closer for the Facebook community and public speaking, or maybe face-to-face table talk
Yes.
cases. But according to my personal experience, I see how big is the Malaysian market in terms of the depth of the audience, because it's easy to start campaigns for the Google and Facebook.
Yes.
You can easily find win-win idea with the partner, because in some other countries they start asking about give me money, give me office, give me something. It's some kind not of professional attitude, because when we are talking about business, we profile in each other, we get trust firstly, and then we share what we can do each other. And of course it's about business, it's about money, because all brokerage, it's commercial companies.
Yes.
And the partner doing the same, and trader, of course, they're trying to find financial freedom. So
My opinion happened because they had experience with wrong companies from the beginning. That's why
Yeah.
we took it as something normal.
yeah,
But they never cooperated with really reliable companies for the future. That's why they, in my opinion, I don't want to judge them,
Yes.
because that was just the environment that they found themselves. But I told you that clever is,
Circumstances.
future is clever because they need more time to adopt, to understand the nature of the market.
Yes.
And that's why I'm sure that everything will be fine here.
I think there are people, especially from our viewers as well, maybe that they have like some sort of a bad experience when they are getting into the industry. Of course, it is. It's not a main problem. We can always get a new platform, engage into a better partner program. So this is actually a very good start for them, I think, especially our viewers, maybe even those who haven't started trading. This is like the best time.
absolutely right.
Yes, as Denis and Alex said just now, there's a very bright future ahead for
It's
the
definitely the
industry.
best time. First of all, Ramadan is the time when you can have more time for yourself, for
Yes.
your habits, for your hobby, and trading is also part of the hobby.
Yes,
Plus, we give a very wonderful contest, competition to get more
of
money.
course.
And of course, it's the right time because the market has special periods of the volatility and periods. So at the moment, it's one of the best time to start, at least for the newcomers, for the newbies, and the markets is ready to help, to handle them, to guide them firstly on the right way. Sometimes we call in our clients and say, please no need to trade today because of the high volatility
Yeah.
and non-farmers coming, it's Friday. And they say, wow, you're the first company who said us not to trade, because many brokers pushing them
Yes,
aggressively, open more loss and go with the high leverage. This is what aparts us from other companies, because we really care about LTV of the trader, about staying him with us for the long term. It also makes sense.
Because when traders usually get into a very high risky situation, when they get MC, when they lost all their capital, they
Yeah.
usually have some sort of period of not trading. So we try to
one
avoid
partner
that.
tell me, Dennis, you are the company that not pursuing margin call.
It's actually refreshing to hear that.
True.
All right.
You
So
can test.
And one more important moment, even if they provide clients with a high leverage, it doesn't mean that we force them to trade like that. It's just an opportunity.
It's their decision.
Moreover, the first thing that they will see in their personal area, the trading analyzer, which will recommend them what things they need to do in a short period of time to make them more successful. So a company cares of their future, of their success. And actually, we are limiting them, and they are sending them signals. For example, your leverage is too high. You need to reconsider your trading strategy. Let's think about risk management. So that's how they work with people. Even we can't limit them in opportunities. We give it to them.
It's part of the strategy.
But
of
this is
course.
their
They
choice
want
how
it.
to use this opportunity.
this
This is the big difference.
is actually very important, especially to new traders. They don't usually know. They see that this is a very good opportunity to actually execute some trade, but having a broker that is actually cared about them, they might think twice about it. They actually have like
That's
a very good platform to actually have a very healthy trading career.
Exactly, because newcomers sometimes beginners sometimes they even can't understand the difference between declared leverage and factual leverage.
Yes.
That's why our mission, in my opinion, is to tell them how it works, and only after them to let them training. That's why all materials, educational programs, tools that they can find in their personal account, they are oriented on making them more qualified and ready for starting trading.
Also, we have our self-made indicator, so you can feel the pattern of the market. We also have our signals in our English Telegram community. So very soon we will adapt all the infrastructure of these tools for Malaysian closer for the Malay Bahasa, or maybe with the local public speaker who will help us to do it. So we also, by the way, open-minded in our team hiring, increasing. So the moment we are looking for the person who can be our official analyst, who can provide public speaking as well, who is also trusted audience. So maybe, guys, if you're listening us right now, maybe a market
You're looking for a job.
company, yeah, wonderful bonuses and the high salary, promising. So also, it's just the way how we're trying to grow here. It's not like a high period when we just trying to grab market and go away. No,
Yes.
that's why we have office here. That's why we live in here. That's why Alex came here. It's not so easy. Try to imagine
Yes.
to cross the part of the planet to reach this place.
All the way from Malaysia.
Yeah, however, yeah.
Yes, they has our own identities, then a set and philosophy. Because even, for example, for me, it was weird to find out that some brokers, they give access to auto charters, which is a really famous trading tool, analytical tool, which show you trends and help to analyze charts and so on. They ask to pay for that, or they ask to make some deposit to get access to this trading tool. But what about traders who can't afford to make deposits of, I don't know, 500, 1000 USD? Because newcomers, beginners, they need to get access to this platform to learn more about the market and how to analyze it, because they don't have enough knowledge to do that themselves. That's why, in my opinion, it's a good gesture for them that we offer after chart is absolutely free. You just need to register, verify your account, make deposit at least
Yes, yes, it's a 100.
100 USD, and you will get free access to after chartist.
Of course, for Asian, it's very important because they not love to trade with the bigger amount at the beginning. They love to test with several dollars, but we already see it in our company. Every day we have dozens of new clients, hundreds of new clients who trying to test, and we contacting them, we profiling them, asking what was their preferences, maybe their fear or pain before when they used to trade with other companies. So we try to understand what is the main best offer for them, and based on this we will pack the infrastructure of services and deliver it to them. We're not spamming all our clients with all offers, more we give, maybe more they will use, and at least they will be converted. We're trying to identify the problem, the potential, and trying to be more closer to his preference. That's why they staying with us for the long time.
Okay, it's clear, and I cannot hide my excitement as well. It's very amazing the things that you guys are trying to bring with A-Markets. I think that's actually the end of our segment. We already extended by 15 minutes, but it's okay because all the insight that was shared by Alex as well as Dennis is very, very insightful for our viewers as well as for our platform in general. So do you guys have any last word before we close our segment?
Actually, we would like to wish healthy and peaceful harmony of Ramadan.
Okay.
Period. So be with your families, think about your lifestyle, trading strategy in future, and join the markets.
Yes, choose the right brokerage companies and spend money in the right way. We hope that it will bring you success and happiness.
All right, so that will be the end of our segment. So make sure you guys, if you guys are interested to register and have an account with A-Markets, do click the link that we have provided in the description, as well as do stay tuned on all of our social media platforms because we're giving away all this deposit bonus, giving away $100 each for you guys to test out the platform on A-Markets, as well as do check out the A-Markets website as well. All the promotion and information that we shared today is also accessible on the platform itself. And make sure to stay tuned on another segment that we have tonight, which is starting at 9:30 p.m. Evolusi Saham Global with Abah Alfisa, where he will be testing A-Markets platform as well for the index instrument. So make sure to tune in to that as well. So I think that's all for our segment today. We will be having the same segment next week on Thursday, the same timing, 4 p.m. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And that's all. Have a blissful Ramadan and see you guys again, inshallah.
All the best.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
So,